Moon coming up over there. He's got a little brand on him. Come on, bud. Hurry up before the other one gets out. Come on, jump out. Look out, look out. The kids want to watch fireworks tonight. We can sit here and see them. We can see them from here, but I think we can get a little bit closer. I want to show you all my grasshoppers I got. Look at this. You see that? We'll just stop here. We'll get down on the other end and I'll show you. It gets pretty thick. Normally I don't drive this tractor mowing hay. I use my other one, and Blaine drives this one, or Dad, or somebody. But here it's pretty short on this. On the top of the hill it's short, and in the bottoms it's good. I always wish this tractor was four-wheel drive because it would ride a lot smoother, but I don't know, all I had to do was stretch that axle out. I'd have done that a long time ago. I was dragging my feet on it because I didn't want to screw with the damn tie rods. There you can see lots of grasshoppers. Look at that. I'll slow down here so you can get an eyeball on them. This end. Look at all those things. I know in the pasture they're just terribly thick. They're probably eating just as much grass as the cows. I don't know. But I need to bring my chickens out here because they absolutely love grasshoppers. See if this plane comes right over my head. I bet he does. Well, I guess I'll go get the bale fork. I just got done raking. Just folded up and was on my way out the gate.
Southeast around 30 miles per hour with a 60 mile per hour wind gusts and potential quarter-size hail in this radar indicated storm. Could see some hail damage to vehicles as well as wind damages to roof sidings and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be in the Crofton area and continuing to move southeast around 410, 415. Other locations.
anchor even works. I thought my bull was out on the wrong side of the fence this morning because that bull over there has got a crumpled ear and mine's got a crumpled ear too. I thought they were the same, but they're not. I was like, oh crap, he's on the wrong side of the fence. But on the other side there, on the other side of the fence there, there's a whole bunch of holes dug from the bulls standing there pawing and trash talking to each other. See, just like that. Sits there and digs holes. I'm glad my bull doesn't do that. And we gotta watch for pink eye because I treated one cow already for pink eye on Wednesday. Today's Saturday. 244 I treated. You hate to have to dart them, but there she is right there. That one right in front of the red one, right beside the red one. She's still got a squinty eye, but it's only been 3 days. Somebody told me, he says, well, you get pink eye out there in your cows. If you go out there and treat them in 7 to 10 days, they're better. And then if you do nothing in 7 to 10 days, they're better. So we used to vaccinate, give them a pink eye shot, and still get pink eye. So I didn't even do anything this year for pink eye. If they get it anyway, what good's the shot? And so far I haven't had any in the calves. I was telling you how glad I was my bull doesn't sit there and dig holes, but looky here, there's one right here where he dug. Right there, nice little hole they sit there and dig, and there's one on the other side of the fence. Just like hogs, they sit there and root around. Except they ain't using their snout. Look at that deep hole. You could plant a tree in there. There's pretty good moisture in the dirt though. We have been getting a little bit of rain. Good thing that tree is growing there, otherwise they'd probably go through the fence. And the neighbor, he's got a hot wire over there, so I guess I haven't had to put one up over here. But we still get them mixed in. You know, we get animals on the wrong side of the fence, so luckily he's a good guy, so we don't ever have any issues. All right, later. And even shot some tassels and silks.